Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So friends, welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Today I brought for you Raksha bandhan special recipe, a sweet recipe. Yes friends, today I brought for you Plam Kheer recipe. It is a very tasty recipe and a sweet recipe because now the palm season. That's why I think I made a recipe with palm for the Raksha bandhan. So please watch my video till end how to made it, and if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. You can make this recipe in less times in your kitchen very easily. So friends, let's go and see how it is made. So friends, first I take here a rib palm. You can see I take here a medium size palm, or you can see how rib it is. If you press like this, you can check that it will be ripped very nicely. Now I will try to remove the upper part of the palm. You can see how to remove the upper part of the palm. You have to remove it like this. After removing the upper part of the palm, now I will wash it very nicely. After washing it, now I will try to peel the palm very nicely. You have to remember one thing: when you remove the outer part of the palm, you have to be careful because the outer part of the palm is very hard. That's why your finger can be cut off, so you have to be sensitive. So now you can see I remove the outer part of the palm and I try to separate the palm like this. You can see our palm ripe very nicely. That's why I can separate it very nicely. You can see you have to separate the palm like this. After separating it, now I will remove the upper part of the palm. You can see I remove the upper part. Now I will smash it with my hand very nicely and soak it into the water for 1 hour. You can see I smash it little more, that's why the water can be go inside. Now I take a bowl and give some water into that, and I will give all the palm one by one. You can see I give all the palm very nicely. After that I will give some little water above it, that's why you can soak very nicely and rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see our palm soaked very nicely. You can see now I will peel the palm very nicely and extract the juice of the palm. You can see for extracting the palm juice, first you have to smash the palm with your hand like this for extracting some juice into the bowl. After extract some juice, now I will take a sieve, and under the sieve I take a bowl and extract the juice of the palm like this. You have to grate it like a ginger. How do you grate the ginger? You have to grate the palm like this. After grating little more, you can see I extract some palm juice. You can see I extract some juice like this. You have to grate all the palms very nicely. So here I take another one and extract the juice like this. First smash it very nicely and extract the juice very nicely. You can see I extract all the juice very nicely from all the palm. You can see it. So now I take a kadai and give the all palm juice into the kadai very nicely and stir it little more. I fried it little more into medium flame because in medium flame the palm fried very nicely, and you have to stir it all the time like this. The juice will be burned out from the lower part. If you make it high flame, the palm will not be fried very nicely. After frying it 10 to 15 minutes, now I will add sugar. You can add the sugar how much sweet you want to eat. After adding the sugar, now I will mix it into the palm very nicely and fried it for 5 to 6 minutes more in medium flame. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can see our Plam Kheer fried very nicely and it looks so delicious. Also it makes thick. After frying it little more, now I will put the gas off and rest it down for 1 hour. So friends, our today's Raksha bandhan special recipe Plam Kheer is ready to serve. You can see it looks so delicious. Also you can see in the whole video it is very easy to make at your home. So please try this recipe at your home and comment me how tasty it is. Also if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. So bye for today and see you in next video. Be safe and healthy. Thank you. Bye.